¿Qué necesitas? ¡Tengo a la bestia! ¡Tiro! ¿Tienes un objetivo?
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
¡Soy el tirador que buscas! ¿Sí, comandante? ¿Sí, comandante? ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Qué necesitas? ¡Soy el tirador que buscas! ¡Disparo a matar! ¡Soy el tirador que buscas! ¿Sí? ¿Qué necesitas? ¡Fuego! ¡Chupaos esa, peleles! ¿Sí, comandante? ¡Es hora de irse! ¡Disparo a matar! ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Sí, comandante? Vale. Yo me ocuparé de eso. Soy el tirador que buscas.
Thank you for rescuing us. Our hunting party was surprised by these spiders when we were returning to our encampment. We'll help your party as we can. My brother is the commander of the encampment west of here. He must have been terribly worried about us. Let us waste no time and bring him the good news.
¿Qué necesitas? Tengo a la bestia a tiro. Soy el tirador que buscas. ¡Fuego! ¡Chupaos esa, peleles! ¿Sí, comandante? ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¡Disparo a matar! ¡Vamos esas, peleles! ¿Qué necesitas? ¡Fuego! ¡Tengo a la bestia a tiro! ¡Chupaos esas, peleles! ¿Tienes un objetivo? Soy el tirador que buscas.
Stop right there! We haven't seen your kind down here except in the ancient carvings on the walls. What? I see that you have captured my brother! Release him immediately!
Calm down, brother. I owe these dwarves my life. The least we can do is show them some hospitality.
As you wish, brother. This is indeed a rare act of benevolence from creatures as fierce as dwarves. Roll the spikes down.
¿Qué necesitas?
Thank you for letting us in. I am Arogden Earthstorm, the Archmage of the High King of Dwarves. We are here to explore these caverns in the hope of finding ancient artifacts that would help us fight the undead that are attacking our kingdom.
It seems that we share a common enemy. We gnolls had to flee the undead that roam the surface world. Those who survived entered into caverns, which led us to the outskirts of this city. However, in the caverns we were overcome by tentacled beings who enslaved our tribe. Now they sacrifice our kind in dark ceremonies.
How did your group then manage to escape that horrible fate?
We were assisted by a powerful being. The Wardens believed that it was Gurathul, the Nullish Guardian Spirit. It was a voice in our minds which helped us find a route here. However, the spirit world is not my specialty. You are welcome to the Warden Lounge and meet our wardens there. Our warriors at the barracks may also join you if you pay them appropriately.
¿A trabajar?
Sí, comandante. ¿Tienes un objetivo? Sí,
¿A
comandante.
trabajar?
¿Qué necesitas? Soy el tirador que buscas.
Edificio terminado.
¿Qué necesitas?
Edificio terminado.
Se necesita más oro.
A badly worn map was buried under these remains. Let me look at it. Yes. Interesting. The map describes an ancient dwarven city and a route that connects it to the golem workshop that King Buri found earlier. We are now, I believe, at the south entrance to the city. Judging by the map, there should be a workshop, a foundry, and a gold mine straight north of here, on the other side of a great hall. The corridor to the west leads to residential areas. A throne room, a temple, and a library are to the east.
Especially the gold mine can prove quite useful to us. I think we should check if there's any gold left. The library and the temple may also host powerful relics and important knowledge of this place.
Soy el tirador que buscas.
There's a guard post north of here with a number of tentacled monsters and their mind-controlled slaves. The passageways to west leads to our hunting grounds. There's also a fountain of health there.
¿Tienes un objetivo? Sí, comandante. Sí, comandante. ¿Tienes un objetivo?
Nuestro
¿Qué
héroe ha
necesitas?
caído. ¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Soy el tirador que buscas. ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Qué necesitas? Soy el tirador que buscas.
No hay maná
Sí,
suficiente.
comandante. Vivo para servir a todos los creyentes.
Nuestro héroe ha caído.